4 of them out of the family would just jump one person. And we've all made several complaints saying kids were scared. They saw these people getting strangled and punched up.
Anything to make trouble, and it just took until, the last day to ruin everyone's trip and ruin my honeymoon. So, it was terrible.
I was coming down the elevator at one point, and the elevator opened, and I saw a guy sitting down with blood all over him. Security guards hitting other people.
Yeah, so if you had your phone out like that, it just snatch it straight out of your hand. And you wouldn't get it back to the next day, and it'd just delete everything off it, videos, photos, everything. Yep.